Hello, everyone. Is this? Yeah. Hello, everyone. This is the trade idea for today, 5/31, 2023. It's 6:16 here in New York. Um, and as you can see, I have the dollar yen up. The market isn't open yet. For me to really get into this trade, it would need to be in New York session. Um, okay, so I'm on the daily. This is my process every morning. I see the downtrend. It's going down. It does a pullback here, down, pull back, down, pull back, down, up here. You see how it bounces down, then it goes a little bit up and then down again. I consider that just a minor pullback. Then it goes up, then it goes down, then it goes up. A little impulse move down, goes back to the upside, down, up. Although it breaks this structure here, it came back down as almost the same amount of pips or sessions. So I consider that just one straight move upwards. All right. Um. Now, now that I have that, we go down to the 4 hour. See what's going on here. And each time you can pretty much see that. Hold on. Let me put it at the black. It respected level after level after level. I know you're like, oh, you can. It's easy to say that because you can see it, but real time, you know, will the same outcome happen? That is true. I'm just marking it off for right now. Just showing you what has happened in the past, right? Because we're on a daily. I'm just following the daily markup that we just did. I'm not really too. I'm not interested in. Well, I am interested in the 4 hour. If I was trading 4 hour, then yes, I would do that. So you see that the 4 hour trend. This is the 4 hour trend here. Oh no, no, sorry. This is the daily markup, right? Now, if I do the 4 hour, you just kind of see where we are right now. Let me mark this up for you. Hmm, I guess I'll start from here. Why not? Uh, shoot. Let's do greens. There you go. It went up. Let me open this up a little bit. The trend went up, retraced a little bit, but I don't see like a lower lows happening here. So I'm gonna say that's a continuation all the way up. Then it went down, up, down. Then this one up, all the way up. Boom, boom. That's the same thing every time. This is what wasn't explained when I was taking the courses. It took me multiple tries to be able to get that. So right now on the 4 hour trend is showing us that we're breaking highs. You know what? I'll do these in orange. So you broke this structure here. You broke this structure here. You see how it came up, came back down, broke it. Come here. This is your next one. It seems like, what do you guys notice? That it always comes back to some form of freaking support or resistance. That's where I would be looking to get into this move. Probably here or here, where there's more confluence. So if it comes back down to here, all it's doing is really hitting a former resistance level, but then it'll be created as a support, right? But those are the tricky ones. I seem to be losing out most of the time when you see that the move comes straight down, and sometimes it might pivot and go straight back up and continue on the trend, or it needs something with more, like coming down here to the support level right here. You know, it needs like a wall. It needs like, hey, I'm at you have to stop here to go back in the same direction that it was going. But you never know. So now I'm going to get rid of, well, I'll keep those up. I'm going to go down to the 1 hour. Let's follow this trend. So we already established that the daily is in the uptrend. We know that the 4 hour is in the uptrend. We marked our candles with it. That was the green candle. Hold on, let me put this back. Make this green. All right, we know that. So now we're in a 1 hour. If anything, we could put our, on the 4 hour, we could put our Fibonacci, and you can see that it's at 382. But I mean, if you're trading the 1 hour, I mean, this could be a valid setup here because it came down into a support level. But let me let's go through the motions first. Okay, so I'm gonna just change this color into something we can see. Let's do red. Okay. I'm gonna move this over. Let's start from the beginning. This is that 4 hour move. So trend is going up, down, all the way up. Then it decides, hey, let's pull back because I'm exhausted. Here, it went up again, back down again, then went up here, and then you can see it right here. It came down, up, down, up, down, up, until it finishes, and then it goes back up. Now here, this is a tricky part. I think it's tricky. It goes up, and then it got that impulse move that goes all the way down, bearish. But then they had another impulse move to correct itself, so it comes back up. I just put it up here. I don't even try to guess the whole thing. So it went down, up, down. Let me open this up a little bit. Up, down, up, down, down. This move right here just kept on going down. So you can see that the 1 hour, this is live. The 1 hour is in a bearish trend. It didn't break any type of structure at this point in time, the 1 hour. And you're at the 382. So what I would like to see, I mean, it's a longer time frame, but if the 1 hour decides to do something like this, boom, to go back in the bullish direction, right? because the daily is bullish and the 4 hour is bullish. So if it goes like this, and you see a trend that goes like this, then it goes back down again somehow, and then it breaks this little spot right here, I would look to go long, right, and go up. That's what I would do and wait for. Otherwise than that, um, the market is saying, hey, I'm still bullish, not bullish, bearish on the 1 hour because of what? This right here. You see this structure right here. It broke that to the downside. So if it comes back up to this, or here, or up to this point here, it's a high likelihood that it could uh, continue down, right? Um, but it just depends on how it happens, how it, you know, the market sees it. Um, but if you want to get this short term move to the upside, and you don't because you don't know where it's gonna turn, let's go to a reasonable trading time frame. Obviously you see that it's a bullish engulfing candle right here, right? Let me just mark this off on the chart. This little move, that bullish engulfing right here, right? You see that? Yeah, you can try it. I mean, you can see if it's going to go up or not. Who knows? But let's go down to the 15 just to see what's going on here, right? We know where we are. We're at a 382 on a 4 hour candle that's going bullish. Right now we're in a 1 hour retracement. Uh, but you shoot, my moving averages are starting to move up too. But I won't get in until I see like some momentum going to the upside. So let's do a little markup here. You tell me what you. Let me see what you guys think. Let's do that. There you go. Boom, boom, down, up. You can see like it's not really. I'll go here. It didn't really do anything. Down, up. I won't get in until it breaks this level. So you guys, I'll show you guys more later. It needs to break this level. It needs to break this level before I even think about going to the upside. It did break it, but you can see that it clearly just broke back down again. I need two bullish candles at least for it to go to the upside, and then I hold it to at least up there to these levels, 140.76. Because right now it looks like it could come all the way back down. Or if you want to be more conservative, you can wait till it breaks this level here, 139.98, because it seems that it respected that one more. Tell me what you guys, what are your thoughts?